In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a linked bank to Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is to use the latest version of Cash App on your phone. So before starting, make sure you don't have any pending updates by going through the Play Store or the App Store. When you open up the latest version of the app and you sign in using your credentials, you will be able to go to your profile by clicking on your icon at the top right corner of the screen. And within your profile page, you should see the option I have highlighted, Linked Banks, under the Account and Settings category. When you access the Linked Banks category, you will have a prompt to link a bank and a debit card. Select Link Bank and first agree to the terms and conditions of linking your bank to Cash App. Once you agree to the terms, you will get to pick from a list of institutions. This is where you have to select which bank you want to transfer the funds from and input all the valid credentials from your bank. Once it is properly linked, it will be displayed on the Linked Banks window you were just at. And now, by following the steps I'm presenting to you on screen, you will be able to input any amount of funds that you wish to transfer from the linked bank account. Follow the steps I'm showing you on screen and type the amount of funds that you want to transfer. It should be complete in no time, and as long as you have the funds available, you will receive them inside of Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from a linked bank to Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.